Welcome to the Employee Factory, where we dive into the world of AI and LLM technical education. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that is absolutely revolutionizing the way we interact with AI models. Say hello to the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. This is an absolute game changer for context-aware AI, so let's break it down.
Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. We're going to break this technology down by answering 4 key questions. What is it? Why does it matter? Who is it for? And how do you actually use it? Plus, we're going to do a really crucial comparison between MCP and RAG to understand how AI is shifting from just answering our questions to taking real action.
So, part 1. What exactly is the Model Context Protocol, and why on earth is everyone calling it the universal port for AI?
Simply put, it's a standardized communication protocol. It enables your context-aware AI models and apps to connect seamlessly to external tools and data sources. Think of it literally like a USB-C port for AI. You know how we used to have a million different proprietary chargers for every single phone and laptop, and it was a total mess, but now we just have one universal plug? Yeah, well, MCP does that exact same thing, but for artificial intelligence.
Now, what's really fascinating here is that MCP isn't actually a new AI model itself. Nope, it's a vendor-neutral standard. It was originally created by Anthropic back in late 2024, and then they donated it to the Linux Foundation so it's entirely open and community-governed. It provides one common language. Think about a normal conversation between humans, right? The context of the conversation is shared and understood by both people. MCP allows AI models to do exactly that, sharing context without needing custom, bespoke integrations for every single app you want to use.
To really illustrate how this works in practice, think of it like going to a restaurant. Your AI agent is the diner sitting at the table. The external tool, like, say, your company database or your calendar, that's the kitchen. Now, the kitchen has all the recipes and the ingredients, but the diner can't just barge in there and start cooking, right? So what bridges the gap? Well, MCP is the menu. It tells the agent exactly what actions are available to order, complete with descriptions of every single dish.
Okay, part 2. Why does MCP matter so much? We're going to look at how it collapses what developers have been calling the integration wall.
See, before MCP, developers were hitting a massive wall. Every single AI model, multiplied by every single tool they wanted to use, meant writing custom glue code for every single connection. Honestly, it was a mathematical nightmare to maintain. But now, with MCP, you build one standardized server for your tool, and suddenly any AI client, whether you're using Claude Desktop, Cursor, or some custom agent you built, can instantly discover and use it. Because look, context is key to making AI effective. Without it, responses are just generic. MCP solves this by completely collapsing that integration wall. Part 3, MCP versus RAG. This is all about the crucial difference between doing versus knowing. Let's contrast MCP with another framework you've probably heard a ton about, Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG.
So while RAG and MCP both aim to make models smarter, they do it in totally different ways. RAG is really about knowing more. It's like taking an open book exam. Say you ask an AI about your company's vacation policy. Well, RAG acts like a super fast librarian, right? It searches through 500 gigabytes of internal documents and hands the AI the exact employee handbook to read. MCP, on the other hand, is about doing more. It acts as an expert assistant. So instead of just reading the policy, MCP allows the AI to actually connect to your HR system, check your live PTO balance, and officially submit that time off request for you. It takes real action.
So that brings us to part 4. Who is MCP actually for? Well, the short answer is the entire organization. But let's break down who really benefits here. Pretty much any organization working with AI models can benefit immensely from this protocol. For developers, MCP is a total dream. You get a standardized way to integrate tools without rewriting API wrappers every time a new model drops. For data scientists, it offers a way more accurate method for analyzing and interpreting data straight from live databases. For product managers, it finally unlocks reliable multi-agent workflows. And for business leaders, hey, this is how you drive revenue. By leveraging MCP, organizations can move way beyond static chatbots and create highly personalized, action-oriented experiences that solve customer problems 24/7.
All right, let's dive into part 5, how to actually use MCP. We're going to pop the hood and look at the architecture and execution.
The architecture is beautifully simple. It's made up of 3 main parts. First up is the host. This is the AI application you're actually using, like Claude Desktop or Cursor. Inside that host lives the client.
and the client acts as the protocol manager, handling the connection itself. And finally, there's the server. The server is what exposes your specific tools, resources, and prompts. Think about it this way. Tools let the AI take action, resources let the AI read your data, and prompts give the AI your standard operating procedures.
The execution loop between all these components is just incredibly clean. First, the client and server do a little handshake to initialize and agree on the rules. Step 2 is discovery. The client literally asks the server, "Hey, what's on the menu?" And the server replies with a list of available tools and their exact JSON schemas. Finally, the call step. The model autonomously decides which tool to use based on whatever context the user provided, it fills in the correct arguments, and the server executes the action, passing the result right back to the model.
Now, if you're wondering how hard this is to actually build, you'll be glad to know integrating MCP is incredibly developer-friendly. You do not have to write massive amounts of complex networking code. Using SDKs like FastMCP and Python, you just write a totally normal Python function, pop an @mcp.tool decorator right on top of it, and boom, the SDK automatically turns it into a fully described AI tool. Honestly, you can get a custom server up and running in under 15 minutes.
And honestly, you might not even need to write any code at all. 10,000. That is the number of public MCP servers already available right now. The community has been busy building open source servers for platforms like GitHub, PostgreSQL, Notion, Slack, Google Drive, you name it. And because it's a universal standard, you could often just grab these existing servers, plug them straight into your agent's configuration file, and instantly give your AI massive new capabilities.
So, as we've seen today, context is the absolute key to making AI models truly effective. The Model Context Protocol is the bridge that takes us from human language chaos straight into structured, actionable clarity. As AI evolves from just answering our questions to actually acting on our behalf, how will your organization leverage this universal port for AI? That's it for today's Explainer here on the Employee Factory. We hope you learned something new about how MCP is revolutionizing the world of AI and LLM technical education. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next Explainer.